Okay, we're here doing the intervention for 5.082. I'm going to skip the first question up here and look at question number 2. It wants you to write the expression, not solve the problem. Write the expression. Find the difference between 589 and 286. Difference means subtraction, so I'm going to take 539 minus 267. The next one is product. It means multiplication. So I'm going to give you a minute to write the multiplication problem down for the next one. The next one says 13 plus the product of 13 and 16. It tells you right here 13 plus the product. Product is an answer to a division. So 13 times 16, I'm going to put that in parentheses because I'm already telling you that 13 plus the product. The next one says the quotient of 72 and 8 plus 7. Quotient is the, anyone? Bueller. Just joking. Division problem here. So 72 divided by 8 plus 7. Subtract 42 from 100. You see how there's a comma? So that's a good indication that's going to be in parentheses. Then multiply by 4. So write that down on your paper here. Next one says add 5 and 6. Once again, you see a comma, and then it has the word than, so this is going to be in parentheses. Add 5 and 6, then multiply by 18. Write that in an equation form, please. The next one says divide the product. Product. Once again, product means answer to a multiplication problem. Divide the product of 25 and 4, in parentheses, by. So that's telling you, okay, here's my product, 25 and 4. I'm going to divide it by 2, then I'm going to add 10. So if I write that down, because right here I wrote my parentheses, so 25, product means multiply times 4. Oh, divide, okay, I'm going to divide by 2. And I'm going to put this in brackets, and then I'm going to add 10. Because of the comma, it's telling me I need to take that to another step. Okay, let's look at number 3 when it actually becomes a word problem. Tickets for the after-school dance cost $3 a person. The Students' Council made $648. Write an expression to show how many tickets were sold. Well, I can't have, I know I'm not going to subtract, because if I subtract it, I get 648 minus 3. That means 600 tickets were sold. That's not even possible. I only raised $600. And if each ticket costs $3, there's no way I'm going to subtract. There's no way I'm going to add, because I only have $648. If I multiply, I'm going to have $1,800. Well, that's not true. There's no way I sold 1,800 tickets at $3 a pop for $600. So that way means I have to divide. It only wants the expression. So once again, I'm going to write 648 divided by 3. Number 4, Donald and Laura went river rafting. They traveled 26 miles in 2 days. The first day they traveled 14 miles. Write an expression to show how many miles Donald and Laura hiked on the second day. So now you need to look at how many total miles they traveled. Well, it tells you. They traveled 26 miles. They didn't travel any more than 26 miles. On the first day, they traveled 14. What am I going to do with those two numbers? I'm going to subtract them to find out how many I did on the second day. I can't add them because if I added them, I would get more than 26 miles. I only hiked 26 miles. And whoever hikes 26 miles in 2 days is crazy. By the way, just saying. The high school basketball team scored a total of 72 points to win their game. So they didn't score any more than 72 points. They scored 14 points in the first quarter, 26 points in the second quarter, and